Hey guys, hope you all doing good. So in this video, we are going to find the kth smallest and largest element from the given array. So here our input is 7, 4, 10, 3, 20 and 15. This is our input and the length of the array is 6. And here we are finding the third smallest element from the given array. So it should be 7. Here you can see the first smallest element from the given array is 3 and then 4 and then 7. These are the smallest values from the given array. So it will check first 3 and then 4 and then 5. We have to pass some conditions here. So let's get started with our coding part. So first of all, I am defining a function called kth smallest, and here I am passing some parameters like these are my parameters. I am sorting my array here. So by using sort function, the value should be returned with some condition is k minus 1. If we pass this condition, it will check from descending to ascending order. So after that, we have to make driver code. So it is by using if statement, we pass some driver code here. So that is name is equals to main. For standard coding, it will be used semicolon. Array is equals to my input from given data. So 7, 10, 4, 3, 20, 15. This is my input, and n variable with which is my length of array, and the k, the term which is we are finding from the given array. So that if k is equals to 3, it means the third element from the array, the third smallest element from the array we are finding. So our output should be like the third smallest element from given array is okay. So here I am passing argument, that is kth smallest, yeah. So let's just check this with this code. The third smallest element from the given array is 7, hence our coding part is correct. So for finding the largest element from the given array, we just need to do small changes here. So that is the return value should be minus k. If we pass this condition, then it will check from ascending to descending order, which means it will first check 20 and then 15 and then 10. So our output should be, we are finding the third smallest value, the third largest value. So the output should be 10. So let's just change these two for better clarification. Yeah. So let's get check with this code. The third largest element from the given array is 10. Hence our output is correct. So this is the way to find the kth smallest and largest number or element from the given array. So hope you guys understood. Thank you. Bye bye.